Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, we now come to the presidential address of this World Alumni Meet. हयात लेके चलो कायनात लेके चलो चलो तो सारे ज़माने को साथ लेके चलो. I request AMU Vice Chancellor Professor Tariq Mansoor for his presidential address.
Chief guest Dr. Hassan Kamil Saab, guests of honor Professor Najma Akhtar, Vice Chancellor Jamia Islamia New Delhi, Mr. Tariq Chauhan, Group Chief Executive Officer, EFS Facilities Services UAE, Mr. Mehboob Haq, Chancellor University of Science and Technology Meghalaya, Mr. Noor Hassan IPS, Vice Chancellor Professor Zahiruddin, Chairman of the Alumni Affairs Committee, Professor M.M. Sufyan Beg, Vice Chairman, Professor Muhammad Mubin, members of the Alumni Affairs Committee, distinguished alumni present, ladies and gentlemen, my dear friends, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. First of all, I'd like to congratulate Professor M.M. Sufyan Beg and the Vice Chairman, Professor Muhammad Mubin, and members of the AMU Alumni Affairs Committee for organizing this successful centenary alumni meet. I know how hard they have worked for the success of this program. So I thank them and congratulate them. Now a few words about our guests and guests of honor, since I know them personally. Dr. Hassan Kamil is a distinguished alumnus, and he is also founder of the Indian Community Center in the Silicon Valley. And I had the privilege of being his guest in this center when I visited San Francisco in 2017, and he hosted us in this particular center, of which he is the co-founder along with his wife. And it is a wonderful center, which is not only used by the Indian community, but it is used by other communities also. The great thing about Dr. Hassan Kamil is that he is a very humble and unassuming person. And I have another relationship with him because he is the younger brother of Muzaffar Saab. And he is the brother-in-law of Razia Appa also. So now, these days they are also in California. Please give them my regards. We occasionally do them on the phone. Yes. Now coming to the honor, Professor Najma Akhtar, as has been rightly pointed out by Dr. Faiza Abbas. She is the first woman Vice Chancellor of Jamia, but she is also the first Muslim woman Vice Chancellor of any central university. And she is an inspirational role model for all young students all over India. Not only in AMU and Jamia, I will say all over India, all the young female students who want to go in academics. She is a role model. And she is a seasoned administrator. I often seek her advice. Whenever I am in trouble, I phone her what you are doing. Recently on 31st March, I phoned her how you are taking care of your finances, because we are also in trouble how to meet the deadline. So she is my senior and I always look forward to her help and guidance. Our alumni are a great source of strength, and the university is always known by its alumni, as Dr. Hassan Kamil Sahab has rightly pointed out. Our university, and we are always sure support of our alumni in any time of need or in any crisis. Our alumni, they are a pillar of strength to the Aligarh Muslim University. and has been pointed out by Noor Hassan, Professor P.K. Abdul Aziz and Professor Zamiruddin Shah Sahab, they played an important role, and I am carrying forward the effort they made, and I am committed, along with the Alumni Affairs Committee, in strengthening further our alumni network. And we will also pay close attention and look positively to the suggestions which Professor Najma Akhtar has given, that AMU alumni and the Jawahar Millia alumni, they can act in cohesion and they can have a synergistic partnership. On this occasion, we have also released the World Alumni Directory, which is a giant leap towards bonding the world AMU alumni and keeping them together as a family. As Professor Sufyan Bey has rightly pointed out, this directory is country-wise, and in country-wise it is city-wise, and in city-wise it is alphabetical-wise. So anybody wants to go to New York, find out who are the alumni. But this is a work it is just a beginning. So it is a work in progress. And we have to do more about that. I think most of the names we will have to keep in digital form because you know how bulky it is already. We are 100-year-old in Spain and we are firmly grounded in our pious traditions and proudly so. But we have taken modern technology into our and made use of it in our favor time and again. The digital version of this directory, which will be available online, is a smart way of reaching out and optimizing the potentialities of fruitful association and partnerships. All this towards realizing the goal of Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and the Aligarh movement. The alumni, they are always concerned about the welfare of their institution. So I would like to inform them that in this centenary year, despite the COVID-19 pandemic and the various obstacles and impediments, we have started new courses in this centenary year, this year, such as DM Cardiology, Postgraduate Diploma in Medical Care, Anesthesia, Pain Management, MTech in Solar Energy, Biomedical Engineering, Artificial Intelligence, Material Sciences, Earthquake Engineering and Disaster Management, Food Technology, Tech and Food Technology, MSc in Digital Science, Cyber Security and Digital Forensics, BSc Nursing. Earlier we were having Diploma in Nursing, but we have upgraded to BSc Nursing, BSc in Paramedical Courses, and MA in Security and Strategic Studies. These are the courses which started in this academic year. I also want to inform you that the Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College and Hospital, they are playing an important role in testing, treatment and vaccine trials related to the COVID-19 pandemic. And our medical staff is in the forefront in the fight against the COVID-19 virus. We have completed 1 century together. In the next century, Aligarh Muslim University has to focus on research, innovation, and the frontier areas in science, technology, medical sciences, and other fields, including sustainable development, climate change, environment, and other new and emerging areas. So our agenda for the next century is very clear, and we all have to work together, the teachers, the students, the supporting staff, the alumni, and also the well-wishers. The well-wishers, they may not be our alumni, they may not be associated, but they are our well-wishers, and they can also play an important role. The university is looking forward to continue this series of our unique alumni network. Our alumni network is unique in so many ways. It has already been pointed out by the speakers, so I will not go into that. And I look forward, the university look forwards of working with all of you for the development of the university and for carrying forward the message and ideas of our beloved founder, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. And as has been rightly pointed out by Professor Najma Akhtar, we all have to work together to carry forward the message and ideas of our beloved founder, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. With these words, I once again, though this is not a vote of thanks, that will be delivered by Professor Mohammad Mubin, but as head of the institution, I once again thank all the chief guest and all the guests of honor and all the others who have participated in this program. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this presidential address. A very spontaneous, very specifically detailed response to the views and ideas expressed by all our speakers, and yet another commitment to the alumni engagement of the university, which is an important part of your scheme of things for this university. Thanking you once again.